They had wanted so desperately to get married. From 1915, this was going to happen. It was something they'd been planning. It's taken away from them on the 23rd of April because the rising takes precedence over everything. And then when she's allowed to get married, it's not a typical wedding because she's going to marry the love of her life. But hours later, he's going to be taken away from her. And you can only imagine how she felt, how he felt. But the wedding itself takes place in the chapel in Cumhachtach jail. The only witnesses are the priests. Joseph was handcuffed, the handcuffs were taken off, the only words they could say to each other were their vows, and then immediately, ceremony is over, Grace is taken away, Joseph is brought back to his cell. She doesn't know what's going to happen next. She does go away from the jail, she is taken away, and then a few hours later she's told to come back. She can see him for the last time.